Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and easy to make bread upma. This is a quick and easy breakfast recipe and you can make it and have it at any time of the day. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया रे देखियो चाहछन्ती देन तळे थिबा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे लिंक को चेक करंतु. So first take bread slices. You can take any kinds of bread. I have taken multigrain bread here. Cut the sides of the bread and cut it into small square pieces. The pieces should be like this. Cut 7 to 8 bread slices like so. In a kadai, heat 1 teaspoon of oil and lightly toast the bread pieces. You can also toast the bread pieces without using any oil. Take out in a bowl and keep aside. Now in the same kadai, heat 2 more teaspoon of oil. To that add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 2 sliced green chillies. Saute for a minute and then add 2 thin sliced onions. Saute till the onions turn golden brown. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Cook till the tomatoes are soft. Now add salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Mix everything well. So here I have added 1 teaspoon of ketchup. This is completely optional. This tastes much better with the ketchup. Give it a mix and then add the toasted bread pieces. Mix them well. Finally add few chopped coriander leaves and give it a final mix. So a delicious, quick and easy Chatpata bread upma is ready now. As you could see, the recipe was easy and short, but the result is so amazing and delicious. So do try this quick and easy breakfast recipe and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.